be nice if you could give a recap of what we did today, a short recap, and then I think the mic can be shifted to Dr. Surami Matai for the official vote of thanks.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, it will be helpful. Actually, I wanted to give a summary, but while giving the clarification to the queries, I just forgot. Sorry for that. Now, today in the first session, what we did is we just created a document by using the Google Docs, and I have already explained the advantages of using Google Docs over the other offline tools. Like here, you can have only our browser and make it, and we can share the same document with multiple members. These are the advantages. How do we create a document? For creating a new document, you have to go to plus. Okay, create plus. Then after that, your document will be opened. Then you have to name the document by clicking here. By default, your first line will be taken as the name of the document. Otherwise, you can change it by clicking here. And after that, you can add your content and edit it, insert the image, etc. And if you need to use voice typing, you have to go to voice typing. And after that, if you need to save it, nothing you need to do. Automatically, whenever you make any changes, it would be saved. And after that, you can share it with someone if you wish to, like your collaborators you can do. And by clicking share, then enter their email ID, then they will be able to open it. When they open the same document, you can see they are working here with a different color. And if you need to the version history, you can go to here and see the version history of the document. And finally, if you need to download it, you can download it. Otherwise, you can just simply close it. Automatically it would be saved, and in order to access it later, you come to docs.google.com. okay, here your file will be safe here. Anytime you can access by using any of your gadgets connected to internet. Only thing is that you should connect, log in with your Gmail ID and password with which you used for creating it. And in Google Docs, after Google Docs, we just created the spreadsheet. For that, we came to Google Docs. Here we have option sheets. Then you clicked on that. Then it was opened like this. After that, you just added something what you needed to add. After that, here the great thing is that you can share it with people. And here you had the option to protect the range, which is not there in Google Docs, because in Google Docs we don't want such feature, because here the data, even a minor change in the data will be affecting the total result and all. So that's why here they have given the protect range option. How to protect a range? We can choose the cells and protect range, and with person whom you need to give the access, you can do. Same way you can download it or see the version history, and you can close it. So it will be saved. You go back whenever you need to access your sheets, you come to Google Sheets. There your files will be safe. So these are the things which we discussed today. And now I'll be back to the coordinators. I think I have forgotten. Okay, anyhow, it was clear, and we are giving the recorded version today. I'll try to post it today itself, so that you can work on it. And assignment will be posted today in Google Classroom. After this, you please join the Google Classroom. With that code will be shared in our group, and you please give your valuable suggestions or feedback. Now back to the other coordinator, Suramya Matai. 1 second, ma'am. I'm just giving you mic. Okay. Suramya Matai, ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. You can speak.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can speak.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You can speak. Please, please.
Okay. Okay, myself, Dr. Suramya Matai, coordinator of the seminar. I'd like to propose a very brief vote of thanks on this very special day, the first day of our national level workshop. First, let me thank the two principals, Dr. Anita Matai, principal of Titus Second Teachers College, and Dr. Reni, principal of MES Pillai College of Education and Research, Mumbai, for granting us the permission to make this workshop a reality. Let me also thank our wonderful resource person, Nazir Ali sir. Actually, he is the brain behind this workshop. And on behalf of all the participants, Titus Second Teachers College and MES College, let me thank Nazir sir for his pertinent efforts to make all the technical arrangements for this workshop, and also for answering all our queries in a very patient manner, and also for leading this session in a very effective and productive manner. Thank you, sir. And we are very happy that we have 223 participants from different parts of India and also from outside India. So we are thankful to all the participants for their patient listening, their thought-provoking and intelligent questions. And also, we are appreciating their spirit to gain new knowledge and getting acquainted with the latest technological developments. Thank you to all the participants. Let me also thank Dr. Sunila Thomas, Associate Professor of Titus Second Teachers College, our IQAC coordinator, and the main coordinator of this workshop, for all her support, guidance, and dedication, which made this workshop a reality. So once again, thank you to all the participants and Nazir sir. Hope we'll be meeting tomorrow with a very wonderful session. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. And I request you all to be safe at home and break the chain. Thank you very much.